Hello students, welcome to tutoringcluster.com. So in the last video, we have talked about multiplication of matrices. So till now we have covered what is matrix, different types of matrices. In algebra of matrix, we have covered addition, subtraction and multiplication of matrices. Now new concept I am introducing here, that is transpose of a matrix. Okay. Now transpose of a matrix is obtained by interchanging rows and column of a given matrix. Okay, what do you mean by this? Suppose I am having a matrix A as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just to understand, to make it easy, I have taken a simple matrix A whose elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, the order of which is 2 by 2. Now, what will be the transpose of a matrix? So, it is denoted like this, or AT, A to the power T. This is equal to, now, observe here, this is the first row. Okay, 1, 2, this is what? First row. So, I am going to write this row as the column. So, it will be 1, 2. Next, this is the second row, which are having elements 3, 4. This is R2. Now I am going to write this R2 as C2. That's it. This is called as a transpose of a given matrix. Okay. Let us take one more example. Example number 2. Suppose matrix A is 2, 3, 1, minus 1, 3, 1. Now, can you tell me what is the order of this matrix? There are 2 rows and 3 columns. And it is asked to write what is A transpose. Okay, so it will be equal to, now what you have to do, you have to interchange rows and column. What is the first row? 2, 3, 1. So write it as column. What is the second row? Minus 1, 3, 1. Write it as second column. So you have to interchange what? Rows and column. So this is your transpose. Okay, now note here is, okay, and one more thing, what will be order of this matrix? It is 3 by 2. So if you are observing matrix A, what is the order? 2 by 3. What is the order of transpose matrix? 3 by 2. So it is getting interchanged. So important note point is here, if there is matrix A with order m by n, then what will be order of A transpose? It will be n by m. Okay, that you have to remember. Now, there are certain properties which you should know about transpose of a matrix. So first is AB transpose is equal to B transpose into A transpose. This is important. Okay, next, A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose, or it is also equal to B transpose plus A transpose. Okay, then A transpose and its transpose, which is nothing but will be equal to A. Okay, sometimes these statements are asked. See, suppose matrix A is given and it is asked to prove that A transpose of transpose is A. So sometimes you will get such type of answer. And this is the first property, K into A bracket transpose where K is a scalar which is equal to K into A transpose. So these properties you should remember and note down. Right, so this is a simple concept of transpose. So how transpose is obtained? It is obtained by interchanging rows and column. If matrix A is of order m by n, then what is the order of transpose of its matrix? N by m. Okay, so I hope the concept of transpose of matrix is clear to everyone. Now, there are another two types, that is symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So let us understand, let us talk about symmetric matrix. Now, A is called symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to A, or if Aij is equal to Aji. Okay, don't worry. I'm going to explain each and everything. For example, suppose my matrix A is this is my matrix. This is what H. Now, what is the order of this matrix? 3 by 3. Now, if someone asks me, what is A transpose? So, how I am going to write A transpose? This is the first row. So, first row I have to write as first column A, H minus G. This is the second row. I have to write as second column H, B, F. This is the third row as third column. Now, if you are observing both these matrices, these are what? Equal. These are what? Equal. Which implies A is equal to A transpose. Therefore, A is called as symmetric matrix. A is called as symmetric matrix. Okay, very easy. So I think this definition is clear. Now what is this? Aij is equal to Aji. Now consider matrix A. Okay. In matrix A, if someone asks you what is A12, that means element belonging to first row second column. Element belonging to, this is first row and this is second column. So it will be what? H. Okay. Now what is A21? That means element which is belonging to second row and first column. So what is that? H. Okay. Suppose A31. Now, what do you mean by A31? It is an element belonging to third row first column. This is third row and this is first column. That is what? Minus G. Minus G. Now what will be A13? That means element which is belonging to first row third column. Element belonging to first row third column. That is what? Minus G. So can I say, see, from this I can write A12 is equal to A21. From this I can write A31 is equal to A13. So we can write Aij is equal to Aji in case of symmetric matrix. In case of symmetric matrix. right? So both the definition you have to remember when A is called as symmetric matrix. I hope this is clear. Now, the second is skew symmetric matrix. Second is what? Skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Second matrix is skew symmetric matrix. Now, A is called as skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to minus A, or if Aij is equal to minus Aji. Okay, these are the definition. Now let us see the example. For example, A matrix is, let's say, I am considering this matrix. Now, if I have to write its transpose, so this is the first row, write it as a column. This is the second row, write it as a second column. This is the third row, you have to write as a third column. Now, if you observe both these matrices, what you can find? A transpose is nothing but minus A. Okay, see. If I am multiplying this with minus sign, minus A. So here it will be minus, here it will be minus, here it will be plus, here it will be plus, here it will be plus, here it will be minus. That means A transpose is equal to minus A. Okay, so I think this definition is clear. Now you can check this definition. Let us check. Now in matrix, in the given matrix, what is A12? That means element belonging to first row second column, H. What is A21? That means element belonging to second row first column, minus H. So can I write A12 is nothing but minus A21. That means in general we can write Aij is equal to minus Aj. Okay. So now if someone asking why you are writing in letter, you can put any number here. Okay, for example, let's say 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2, 2, minus 6, 6. This is what? Skew symmetric matrix. Okay, so these are the definitions of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Okay, if Aij is equal to Aj, it's a symmetric matrix, and if Aij is equal to minus Aj, it is going to be skew symmetric matrix. And hope you have noted down this. Diagonal elements of skew symmetric matrix are C. Right? So these are the points you have to remember. Now, let us solve some examples. Very easy examples these are going to be. Let us solve first example. Matrix A and matrix B is given to you. You have to find out AB transpose. So first I am going to find out AB. 1, 2, 5, 3 into 2, 6, minus 3, 4. What will be AB? So 1 into 2, 2, minus 2 into this, 6. Then 6 plus 2 into 4, 8. Next 5 into 10, 5 into 2, 10 plus. Right. So I hope now product or multiplication of matrix is clear to you. So that's why I'm not explaining again here. If you have any doubt in the multiplication, I have told you all the steps in my previous video. You can go and check it out. So this is AB. So what will be AB transpose? So first row you have to write as first column. Second row you have to write as second column. Okay, so this is how you have to solve the given example. Let us see the second example. Very easy. This you are going to solve. What you have to do? Take first LHS. What is the LHS? A plus B transpose. First, find out A plus B, simply addition, and then you find out A plus B transpose. Put as number 1. Second, what is the RHS? A transpose plus B transpose. What will be A transpose here? See, first row you have to write as first column. Second row you have to write as second column. This is your A transpose. What is B transpose? Minus 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 0. So addition 2 minus 1, 1, 5, 3 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 8, minus 1 plus 4, and 0 plus 0. And check whether you are getting LHS or RHS or not. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, so very simple example you can try. Next, again same. Okay, such type of simple questions will be there. So matrix A is given, matrix B is given. You have to verify this. These are all properties which we have studied. So again, take the LHS. AB transpose. Find out first AB. What will be AB? See, 1, 3, 2, 4 multiplied by 2 minus 1, 3, 2. What will be AB? See, 1 into 2, 2 plus 9. Minus 1 plus 6. 4 plus 12. Minus 2 plus 8. This is your AB. So what will be AB transpose? What is the first row? Write it as column. What is the second row? Write it as second column. Okay, I hope multiplication is clear. See, again I am telling how to multiply two matrix. Take the first row, first column. So 1 into 2, 2 plus 9, 11. Then first row, second column, minus 1 plus 6, minus 5. Then second row, first column, 4 plus 12. Second row, second column, minus 2 plus 8, 6. And now this row I am writing as column. Second row, write as second column. This is your AB transpose. Okay. Now what is the RHS given to you? Check the RHS. What is the RHS? See. B transpose into A transpose. What will be B transpose? It will be 2 minus 1, 3, 2. This is B transpose. Into what will be A transpose? First row you have to write as first column. Second row you have to write as second column. Find out this answer and prove LHS is equal to RHS or not. Okay, it should come. Okay, you should get RHS as 11, 16, 5, 6 only. Right? So this is the example number 3. Okay, it is same question. Okay, similar kind of question. Please, you can take this as homework and you can try. Please pause the video and try to solve this question. Okay, again, it's a matrix of 3 by 3. How we are going to solve? Find out first AB. Say I'm writing step 1. Find AB first. Okay. Step number 2. Find AB transpose. AB transpose. Okay. Step number 3, write B transpose. Step number 4, write down A transpose. In step number 5, do the multiplication of B transpose into A transpose. So this will be your LHS, and this part is going to be your RHS, and please verify whether you are getting this relation or not. Okay, so hope you are clear with the different examples of transpose of matrix. Mostly in the exam you will get matrices of 2 by 2 orders. Okay, so that's why I am not explaining the 3 by 3 matrix here. Okay, I have already told you how to multiply 3 by 3 matrix. Right, in the previous video, we have solved one example also, in which I have given all the steps. I have explained each and every step. You can go and check out and you can try this. Now, let us see the new concept now. What do you mean by a singular and non-singular matrix? Okay, give the heading. Okay. Now, what do you mean by a singular matrix? A is called as singular matrix if A is called singular matrix if determinant of A is equal to 0. Second, A is called non-singular matrix if determinant of A is not equal to 0. These are the simple definition. Okay, when A is called as singular, find out determinant of matrix. Okay, find out determinant. If the determinant value is 0, then the given matrix is singular. If not, it is a non-singular. That is the simple concept. Now, let us see examples of this. So first example, read the example. You have to prove that the given matrix is non-singular matrix. Okay. So suppose this is matrix A. What will be determinant of A? 1, 4, 6, 9. What will be determinant? How you find the determinant if you remember? So 1 into 9 minus 6 into 4. Right? This is how we find the determinant. So 1 into 9 minus 6 into 4. 9 minus 24. Obviously, this is not going to be 0. It's not equal to 0. So we can say given matrix is what? Non-singular. Right? Okay. Next. So again, A and B is given. They have asked to show that AB is a non-singular. Find out AB first. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is what? 2, 1, 0, 3. I hope now multiplication is clear to everyone. So 1 plus 2, 2 plus 0. 1 plus 6. 6 plus 0. 3 plus 12. Now, what is determinant of AB? 2 into 15 minus 6 into 7. 30 minus 12, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, it's a non-singular. Okay, such type of simple questions will be there. I hope the concept of transpose, symmetric and non-symmetric matrix, symmetric and skew-symmetric matrix, and singular, non-singular matrix, all the three concepts are very important, and we have also solved the examples based on it. So you have understood all the examples. Still, if you have any query, you can contact us. All the details are given in the description box. Thank you.